Tini chung 62nd Teachers Day chung palan khai dongo. Amani the significance, the objectives, amma already spelled out chungkha. Atawang sana nayo je tini ni je din 5th September, irrespective of year, 2000 mana 5th September. Taklai je 2023 but next year or previous year so 5th September is dedicated for the teachers. Therefore it is called Teachers Day. Tini je Teachers Day chung celebrate khai tongo. Amani main uddesho hongka the teachers community. There are teachers tongnai. Borono respect nani, khulumungjan nani, borono jeng boroni the service, bono recognition by appreciate khai nani. Tini ADC go 5,000 mato teachers tongo, 5,000 teachers tongo. They students tongo 50,000, 49,000 something. Let us take it as 50,000. Out of 5,000, out of 5,000 teachers, senior ADC administration kaisa criteria fix kaisa. The O criteria no dara fulfill kainai. Borano on the day of Teachers Day, borano felicitate kaisa nai. Out of 5,000 teachers, Manka 26 teachers, they have qualified the criteria, the standard set by TTAADC administration. Haini bagoi, Borano special babe, ADC administration taraf theke Borano ang hambay, congratulations, salute, te ang tulong danago. Tini oronigo, about 500 teachers, Jawara Kutung Laika. Ang Saka Tini ADC go, 5,000 teachers tongo. Arabisongo 500 Laika. That means 10% of the total teachers. Oronigo 5 months of Laika. Oronigo Sutu, West Tripura June ni oronigo teachers of 5 months of Laika. Tini বিশেষ করে ধলাই হন্দে খোয়াই হন্দে উনকুটি নর্থ সাউথ গুমতি নীল অরনেক পার্টলি সিপাহী জলনি সবকৈকা এইটা টিচার্স ডে 5th September নিরনি বাংলাদেশ ডেডিকেটেড ডে তিনি ইএম নি মই কোনো ডেডিকেটেড ডে করই অফিসার্স নি মই করই কিন্তু নিরব যারা টিচার্স তনাই Nirni bangai ekta particular day dedicated khlai jakka. Abo kamni khlai jakka purba bokta saithanga je tini former president of India Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan bani birthday no but teachers tambani subsequently but president mane parai ba sakha je bani birthday no Teachers Day hisabe palan khlai jakthum. It should be dedicated to the teachers community. Accordingly, 5th September teachers ni bangai dedicated khlai jakha. Haine bangai ini Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan no bachum khunumo class nirogara teachers tongai. No chung ADC administration ni taraf theke chung khunumo. Teachers need a profession. It is believed to be a noble profession. Some saimano, কোনো person, born is a attitude, born জ্ঞান, বফরা রিজা 7 বছর থেকে 17 বছর বিষ্ণুসে বর্ণে attitude বর্ণে জ্ঞান বরণ সাজাগ সাব কাহাম সিটিজেন নাই সাব পলিটিশিয়ান নাই সাব অফিসার্স নাই Sabo businessman nai apho sambar decide abo jodi kankai dara tinora teachers tongero you are molding a person okay sung tabo je oronigo bisas khai Tripura tribal areas autonomous district council area go sadakha je onek Bishing interior schools tongo, Durgam Manchal tongo, Araniga, you are being posted as teachers. Chini ADC elaka, bolte right from Bangmon thika arambha khlai Sabrum me Magrum porjonto 7,400 square kilometer. Araniga dara teachers tongero, borong Araniga posted nai. Ang sana nayo. The Honorable CM Saitanga, the ADC alakago, school infrastructure, hoito kaham kroi. Kintu ang hanai, there may be issues, there may be problems, communication problems, road communication kroi, kaham school kroi. Kintu, as a teacher, you should not think about the problems. You should think about the imparting quality education. Let us not concentrate on problems. Let us concentrate on our assigned duties. Nirok saimeno je ba siu hiseba akok saidongo. It is not like that. Ang nirok share khlane musugo je jara chini ADC alako jara teacher hisebe jara appointed. Honorable EM education may be salaika. In the mid of academic session, transferring mitongo. That should not be ideally done. At the end of the academic session, transfer claimano, on transfer, on promotion transfer claimano. Kintu in the middle of the academic session, normally it should not be done. Haipano, for the administrative purpose, onek somoy transfer klaijago. Ang jeta nirokbai request khaneni naimani apongka haise. Transfer klaijaka angka. This decision has been taken by the competent authority. Jai authority or no asubu tongo before issuing transfer order, but they have applied their minds. Have a conscious decision has been taken for transfer, etc., etc. Once it is transfer order is issued, that should be complied with. Jotoba transfer nai, that is good for you to grow your experience, to acquire experience. The area-wise, geographically, and demographically, jotoba transfer nai, you take it as a chance to go to say Kanchanpur, to go to Gandasara. You take it as a chance. Don't take it as a difficult. Okay? Or business culture ADC alaka no. Human resources no. Empowerment climate process. Or there are 26 awards makha in the form of appreciation certificates, in the form of monetary benefits, but most of them are at the birth of retirement. At the birth of retirement of aneke 55, 56, 58 years of age at the birth of retirement. So service service due appreciation, due recognition as a human being, so to my child mato khake chung thangi tongmaya. We need social recognition also. As a teacher, she needs a performance, Niro needs a performance that should also be recognized by the authority, that should be appreciated by the authority. और इनको सही थंगा जे टीचर्स की संख्या कम नहीं, टीचर्स की संख्या कम. I want to clarify that position. तावरी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी होता हमसा, आरो सागा 1:40, 1:40. खरक सा टीचर नि पैसोने 40 जना स्टूडेंट दोंगी मनो. चीनी एडिशो खरक सुताओ 50,000 स्टूडेंट, 5,000 टीचर्स. नेगा बुसंगा 1:10. खरक सा टीचर नि पैसोने मात्र 10 जना से स्टूडेंट कमो. That means, there is no dearth of teachers in ADC administration. So the proper distribution there are teachers but quality education they should dedicate themselves for quality education. Former President of South Africa, Nikot and Sanano, Sir Kwenano, the Nelson Mandela, Batam Saka, the education is the most powerful weapon which you can use for the change of the world. Angora at Kwenano Mutugo, the education kaisa instrument, kaisa weapon. Almost to Bishwana change Kwenania. Protect the individual, charai berui, charai khanai, but not change finally. The society not change finally. Chini Tofa not change finally. ADC alaka not change finally. Chini state not change finally. Chini nation as a nation, India not change finally. Factory. Education is the most powerful weapon. Okay, you are the users of that weapon. Nira, chini edisi laka hota bote 50,000 student tango, borona mold khlaiye, borona empower khlaiye. Date chini edisi laka no, pesha crack khlaini, socially, economically, culturally, even politically, pesha strengthen khlaini khatre. Teachers from me, rules, bhumika, it's very important. Tini no teachers dego, ang jara orniko bartaman teachers presents samnero, borog no class, ang jara teachers samnai. At Kalo we were all students. I was also student from 1969 to 1985-86. Niro jara teachers tonight, Niro no congratulations rogoi, happy teachers day wish klayoi, abangani jara teachers tonight, borni pratish hanmanda rogoi, ani ko orna mutakka, happy teachers day, all the best. Thank you, Hambai.